Rain taps on window like a secret code. In this warm haven that you can't corrode. Socks wrapped snug like a blanket of dreams. Coffee steam rising in cozy white streams. Shadows dance softly with the candles glow. Outside the chaos, but here we take it slow. Bookshelf whispers tales of places far. In this cocoon we forget who we are. Rain drumming plays our hidden lullaby. World out there rushing, but we don't comply. Under quilted skies, gray as a dove. This is our fortress, our little alcove. Thunder rolls gently like a midnight sigh. Safe from the storm where the troubles fly. Muted whispers float on a velvet breeze. Pepper the silence, shadow and ease. Every drop is a note in a quiet tune. Our hearts beat steady as the afternoon. In our pocket of peace we let worry stray. Hold tight to the calm of a rainy day. Curtains drawn tight against the world's dim. In this still refuge we let light in. Silent conversations and laughter soft, while the burdens of life gently caught.